giving broken parts in
Quiet draw.
Mike's garage.
Oh. No. Mike the Republican's garage. Come on, get it right, Chad. Jeez.
Hey, turn around a sec.
Yeah, I know. I know. Here, look at my butt. I know.
Wow.
I wore
what happened there?
Well, I don't know. Apparently something got it.
Maybe that was an explosion, maybe?
A year ago exactly, this last July.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, we're putting in another fan clutch. We put a fan clutch in this pig last July after Mike and I went to Las Vegas to go look at a camper that he wanted to buy that was a complete turd. And now he's got himself a camper.
Here's the thing. The thing is, when you're working on a vehicle,
there we go.
Your man's got to know his limitations. Right here is your fan clutch. See right down there. And this sucker, this is your shroud. So you gotta pull that sucker up. What you gotta do is you gotta make room for the radiator. You gotta push that back. You gotta take shit apart. You just gotta kind of know what you're doing. And then once you do that, it's take about 15 minutes tops.
So you're winging it.
Oh, I'm winging it. I'm winging it. Some biscuit shit'll pull a house, I'll tell you.
Well, you have a house attached to it.
You stop filming now, I'm thinking. You know what we should do? Is have another hose.
Here we go. Here we go.
With a like a pipe PVC pipe. You know, you have the. You know what I mean to stop the freaking shit from coming out.
So what we're doing here is taking the fan shroud off to get to the fan clutch to replace it.
Got this lower radiator hose too, which I should might as well do, but I'm not doing that because
that's a mighty big hose you got there.
Yeah, she works pretty well.
Oh God. Sorry folks. Well, actually that's when you hear Mike the Republican, you're gonna tune in for that kind of stuff.
I love that one.
This one?
Oh yeah.
You can see me riding on the pavement. Young kids that growing up in basements.
Yeah. Not gonna be able to get this by yourself.
I remember you guys.
This is the hardest part I had when I was. Oh well, hello. When I was doing this, I did the water pump a few months ago. I had to take this biscuit off. This is metal on this wire. That protects in case your wire gets the plastic one that comes with Ford.
Yeah.
You know how it gets hot in Arizona.
I see that.
That is from Bulletproof Diesel. You know, it could be $100 by now. You never know.
Never know.
All right.
Did you actually buy that wrench kit, or did?
Oh, I did because I got tired of borrowing Robert's.
If anybody can guess what state he's from originally, put it in the comments below.
They'll never guess.
Oh yeah, they will. It ain't Arizona, that for sure.
See the belt, you want to leave the belt on because the belt actually helps hold it.
As I recall, I held onto that here.
Oh, okay. You want to hold on to that sucker?
And you use the wrench there to take that nut off.
I might have to do a little tappy. So.
Are you sure you're turning it the right way?
Yeah. Ain't my first rodeo. I need something to pound that some gun.
Oh boy.
There you go. It went.
Oh, look
Who's
at
your
that.
daddy? That's right, baby.
That's all it took.
Well, maybe I didn't get it on.
Maybe you didn't get it on real well the second time.
Let's not share that. I tell you. Ow! Ooh, got me. I'm good. No big deal. Let's not get excited about it. There we go. That's the way we do it.
Stick your hand in there, Mike.
So hard.
Did you get it? Not much space in there, Mike.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah. Can you see my hole in my butt on the side?
I can see your butt just fine from here.
Okay, she's off.
Did you get it?
Oh, I got her.
Oh, it's off.
Get down. They got to come at the same time. Help guide it. Careful my arm.
Oh, watch out! Hold it.
I know.
Don't put that in the radiator. Okay, you got it. Don't drop it.
I got it.
All right, you sure?
Yeah.
We got it?
Ah!
Oh gosh, be careful. Mike. Oh. He is an interesting character, isn't he? Are those your dentures right there?
Oh, you won't hear him show you.
Those are your dentures. Oh. And your ball sack. Oh. Oh, those are clearly not yours. Gonna replace that lower hose there too.
That's right, might as well. We got all that suckered out. Might as well do the whole enchilada.
Yeah. Now we have to go over to the Ford dealership. Ford.
Fur. Oh, yeah, fur.
Rhymes with turd.
Fur. I was thinking the same thing. That's where you go with that. Yeah.
Yeah, I think if you'd nosed the truck into the garage, it would have been a little better. But we just got back from going to get lunch. We went over to Filiberto's. And we're standing there in line, and Mike orders his burrito and I order mine, and I tell the nice lady at the register I don't want any guacamole. And Mike says that he loves guacamole. So I say to the lady, you know, you can load his burrito up full of guacamole because he loves it, as a joke. And then she put like a gallon of guacamole on his burrito.
I have more guacamole than I did steak.
Oh God, it was funny. You okay?
Fucking irritating. Dumbass.
Oh, that was funny.
Trying to get this.
Somebody did that to me once, and so I
Oh, so you're just inside of our own home.
I just passed
pay
through.
back stuff.
Got the new hose on. Mike's underneath there messing around with something, I don't know what. Belt's back on. Now we just got to put the shroud in. And you kind of line that up.
Now wait a minute, Chad. That's not. I don't think that's right. Is this supposed to be here?
Yeah.
I'm getting confused. You're right. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. All right.
What am I stuck on?
You gotta go back toward the radiator. There you go. I'm helping guide you.
All right, can you reach in there and thread that on?
Yep.
Ford 6.0 diesel. F350. 2005. So hey, at least if nothing else, these are the prize 1-ton axles.
Oh yeah, right now, right?
Do yourself the favor if you're going to do these fan clutches and buy that wrench kit. It comes with the wrench and it comes with this pulley tool so you can hold it and tighten it.
I thought you were talking to me.
No, no.
I thought, what?
Oh!
What the hell, Chad?
It popped.
What popped?
You had dielectric grease everywhere. This video is not like any videos I've made. Well, maybe sort of similar when Mike's been around, but he's kind of a riot. He told me he was working on this today. I couldn't help but to come over and give him a little hand. At least it'd be comic relief, I know that. Well, just when you thought you were done with a job, and you thought you were home free, I got the radiator draining because somebody here, won't name names, mistakenly poked a hole in his radiator while he was working.
What a dumbass.
What a dumbass. So now we gotta try to save as much of the antifreeze as we can. And now he's gotta put a new radiator in. All right, a lower radiator hose, a radiator, and a fan clutch later. We got it running. One of us poked a hole in the old radiator. Now, we filled the radiator with about 2.5 gallons of water to start with. We made a little funnel that turned up like this and we could fill just the radiator. Once we got that in there, we put the upper hose on, and now we're gonna top it off and fill it through the overflow. And it has a sight glass on it to tell you when it's full, but this will start burping air out of it once the thermostat opens. It'll start burping air out. You gotta get all the air out of the system, or at least as much as you can, so that it'll cool the way it's supposed to. Did have to go to the AutoZone and get the transmission remover tool, transmission line removal tool, so we could get the old lines off. So they're very thin. You just got to be careful when you put those in. You don't want to damage those fins. I got to drive this truck for 2.5 weeks. What did I drive this truck for? 2.5 weeks?
Oh yeah, see
Yeah.
what a good friend I am.
Yeah, I got to borrow this truck for about 2.5 weeks when Chewy was down for a little while. It was a big, long story. I'm not going to go into it now, but Chewy was down for, no, it was longer than that.
Wasn't that when?
It was about 4
Wasn't
weeks.
that when you took it somewhere you shouldn't have taken it, you dumbass?
Well,
okay.
I know now. Hindsight's 2020. I know now. There's a place I won't go to again. But in any case, for about 3.5 or 4 weeks, Chewy was down getting repaired, and I got to borrow this truck. It's gigantic. It's a long bed, 8 foot, 1 ton. Great truck. I'm not so much a Ford guy, but I like this truck, and I'm really appreciative Mike was able to let me borrow it. But in any case, we're just gonna let this warm up, burp all the air out, and then, yeah, no leaks so far. Well, that's gonna do it for me, folks. Thanks very much for watching. I really like hanging out with Mike, and I don't mind helping him work on his Ford. I was teasing him, though, that it's a Ferd, and that rhymes with turd, but regardless, all joking aside, it's always nice when you go help somebody out, because it all comes back to you in the end. So, if you like what you saw, please like, share, comment, and thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.
Armless, take to the streets and turn them to a mosh pit. 'Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.